Welcome to Smart Learning. So how to draw a diagonal scale. So before that we have to construct a diagonal scale, rules and regulation. Diagonal scale. So diagonal scales, rules and regulations. So here the mention is height is 5 centimeter of diagonal scale. And how to identify diagonal scale means there is a units are there. There is a main unit, subunit, subunit. So this is the rules and regulation. Height is 5 centimeters and how to identify the diagonal scale means unit. You have to identify unit. In the diagonal scale there is a 3 units means 3.69 means 3 is main unit, 6 is subunit, 9 is subunit. So that is the rules and regulation of diagonal scale. So we have to construct a scale. So this is the question. Draw a diagonal scale of 3 by 100 showing meters and decimeters and centimeters, and to measure up to 5 meters. Show the length of 3.69 meters on it. So given here mentioned direct diagonal scale and here mentioned meters, that is the main unit, decimeter, subunit, centimeter, SSU means sub unit. Here direct mention name and units. So you have to follow this is the diagonal scale. So the construction of only diagonal scale and rules and regulation. Height is equal to 5 centimeter and this is the 3 units. We have to follow 3 units. So here mention the diagonal scale of RF is equal to direct 3 by 100. So RF is equal to 3 by 100 direct given. If in case theory form means you have to follow the formula. RF is equal to length of the drawing by length of the object. You have to substitute the formula and you have to calculate the RF value, and here the RF is no units. RF is no units. And to up to measure 5 meters means this is the L max is equal to 5 meters. So in our scale we have to use only centimeter scale only. So we have to follow only centimeters. So you have to convert to meters to centimeters. Then it is easy to construct a diagonal scale. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you have to follow the same rules. So substitute LOS means maximum length, RF into L max, RF into L max. RF is nothing but given 3 by 100 into L max already given 5 meters. 5 meters, and you have to follow to centimeters. Why? Because your scale is centimeters only, we have to use 5 into 100 centimeter, and 2 zeros get cancelled, and 3 into 5 15 centimeter. So here LOS is equal to 15 centimeter. The LOS length of the scale is 15 centimeter. So similarly how to construct a plain scale only. Here the difference is height is 5 centimeter. So LOS already 15 centimeter. So you have to mark the 15 centimeter of the LOS length of the scale 15 centimeter, and length of the scale is 15 centimeter, and next you have to mark the height of the scale is 5 centimeter. Exactly 5 centimeter, that is a diagonal scale, or else you have to represent 1 meter means 1 centimeter means that is going to plain scale. So height of the scale is 5 centimeter. Then draw a rectangle box. Close the rectangle box. Close the rectangle box. This is the diagonal scale, and 15 centimeter. Here mention AB. The mark the point of. See the question of mark the point of. Show the length of 3.6 meters on it. 3.6. Near 3.6 means it is nearby 5 decimeters. 3.6 means nearby 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. So you have to divide 5 equal parts. 15 equal to divide 5 equal parts means, so each part carry 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 15 centimeter. So each part carry 3 centimeters. So you have to divide directly 3 centimeter. All else, if you have LOS is equal to, if in case points 15.69 or 14.7 or 13.8 means, you have to divide the parts from geometric method, from line divided into number of equal parts. That method you have to use, and you have to divide the equal parts. Then it is easy to construct. So you have to divide 3 equal parts. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 3, 3, 3. You have to divide equal parts. Then mention in the middle of the scale should be RF is equal to 3 by 100. And from, this is the A and this is the B. From A point, second point, you have to represent 0, 1, 2, 3. And draw a vertical lines up to 5 centimeters. Means vertical lines up to rectangle box. Up to rectangle box. From 0 to left side, you have to divide 10 equal divisions. 10 equal divisions means 3 centimeter. Means 3 by 100. It approx 0.1 or little bit you have to. So divide from 0 to left side. From 0 to left side, divide 3 centimeter of the part of this 3 centimeter of the box. You have to divide 10 equal divisions. Similarly, have to give the points only. Only give the point upside and downside. Same points. No need to draw a line. Why? Because this is the diagonal. So there is a next step is there. So only have to follow the upside line and downside line. You have to mark the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and this one is 8 upside, 9 and this one is 9. Here 10, here also 10. And give the points similarly from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just mark the, and you have to mark diagonally from, so see the carefully, 0 have to join the upside of the first line. This is the diagonally. Then you have to tighten your drafter. So take the drafter and open your drafter of the circle. Then from 0 and 1 you have to mark and then tighten your drafter. Then move to the similarly 1 you have to join 2. 2 you have to join 3 point. 3 you have to join 4th point. 4 you have to join 5th point. Similarly 5th you have to join 6th point. And 6th you have to join 7th point. 7 you have to join 8 point. 8 you have to join 9th point. And here the 9th point you have to join 10th point. This is the diagonally. You have to join the points of 0 on the left side of the box. You have to join 10 equal divisions. First of all, you have to 10 from left side. You have to divide 10 equal parts above and below. And from 0, you have to join above is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, 9 and here 10. You have to mention. This is the diagonally. And you have to mention with the RF should be middle of the scale. And right side you have to mention meters in the only capital letters. And here mention decimeters. Decimeters. And here mentioned you have to follow the meters. Meters. And similarly in the height of the scale 5 centimeter you have to divide, that is into 10 equal parts. 5 have to 5 height of the 5 is equal to, you have to divide 10 equal parts. Again you have to divide height of the 5 centimeter into 10 equal parts and draw the horizontal lines of up to rectangle box. Up to rectangle box. Similarly, you have to draw a rectangle box up to. Similarly, how to draw rectangle box up to horizontal lines. 7, 8, 9 and 10th point already we drawn. So this is a diagonal scale, and you have to mark the diagonal scale. AB is equal to, given the question, 3.69. 3 is main unit, 6 is subunit, 9 is sub-subunit. You have to mention AB is equal to 3.69. Where is the 3? This is the 3.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the 9th point and this is the 3rd point. You have to extend the line and dimension line, arrow marks, and above the dimension you have to 3.69 meters. This is the diagonal scale.